If CapCut is showing error 4155, especially during export, don't worry, in this video I'll show you the exact fixes that can help solve it, starting with the official virtual memory method and then a faster in-app workaround you can try right away. This is a common issue, and in many cases it happens because Windows does not have enough virtual memory, also called the page file, for CapCut to complete the export. So if your video keeps failing, stalling or crashing at the end, this guide is for you. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. It really helps the channel and it lets you stay updated with more videos like this. 1. Let's start with the first method, which is the official fix for CapCut Error 4155. On your Windows PC, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type View Advanced System Settings, then press Enter. This will open the System Properties window. Now look for the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. A new Performance Options window will open. From there, go to the Advanced tab again. In the Virtual Memory section, click Change. Here is where the important part begins. At the top, you will see a checkbox that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. If it is checked, uncheck it first, then select your C drive from the list. After that, choose Custom Size. Now you need to enter the values for your paging file. For the initial size, use the same number as your installed RAM. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, type 8000. For the maximum size, set it to double that amount. So if your RAM is 8000 MB, set the maximum size to 16000. This gives CapCut more virtual memory to work with during export. If you are not sure what values to use, there is also a simpler option. You can select System Manage Size instead, and Windows will decide the best paging file size automatically. That is often a safe choice if you want to avoid manual settings. Once you have entered your preferred values, click Set, then click OK, and keep clicking OK until all windows are closed. After that, restart your PC. Restarting is important because Windows needs to apply the new virtual memory settings before CapCut can use them. After your computer starts up again, open CapCut and try exporting your project one more time. In many cases, this alone fixes error 4155 and gets your export working normally again. Now let's move on to the second method, which is a faster app-level fix. If the system settings method feels too technical, or if you just want a quick workaround, this is the one to try. Open CapCut. Then click the menu button in the top left corner. From there, open Settings. In the Settings window, click the Performance tab. Look for the option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding and uncheck it. This feature can sometimes cause export problems on certain devices, especially if there is a conflict with your graphics settings or system resources. Turning it off often helps CapCut export more reliably. After unchecking it, click Save. Then restart CapCut completely. Don't just close the window. Make sure the app fully restarts so the new setting takes effect. Then go back to your project and try the export again. If the error is still happening, you can also combine both methods. First, adjust the virtual memory settings in Windows, then turn off hardware encoding inside CapCut. Using both fixes together can often give you the best chance of solving the problem. And just to recap, CapCut Error 4155 is usually linked to virtual memory or export performance issues. The main fix is to increase or system manage your paging file in Windows, and the faster workaround is to disable Speed Up Hardware Encoding inside CapCut's performance settings. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.